boy.
How to train your dogs effectively? I believe many of you dog owners might ask. Nobody wants your dog to pee in their house, right? And to avoid these unwanted behaviors, doggies have to do the trainings, and sometimes you need to be harsh. Effective trainings for dogs is actually quite hard to achieve, and it's a big time commitment. Generally, there are two kinds of approach that people use to train their dogs. One is aversive based, which you criticize them or make loud noises to let your dog know that this behavior is not good. And the another approach is rewarder based, which whenever the dog performs a wanted behavior, you will give them a treat, for instance, a bone or a snack to eat. However, it's better to incorporate more reward-based trainings because this strengthens the bond and creates more love between you and your dog. Here are some areas of focus that your dog should probably be paying more attention to. Just some examples. For instance, how to socialize with other dogs. Just like us, they develop in socializing skills. Puppies also need to play and hang out with others. Thus, puppies need to be able to embrace and accept new things or dogs. While socializing with other puppies, this dog can also get happy too. For the house training, which is to let your dog to get used to the environment. They will be able to play a role when a bad person came into your house. Then they can protect you. Another training known as clicker training can also be quite interesting and engaging. Dogs can learn instructions and commands through the use of clicker by the pet owner. One thing to remind is that, just like said before, dogs need to be rewarded after they have done something well. They get more motivated and engaged afterwards, as it builds up the thought of doing this stuff is good, so I will continue this habit to get more rewards in their mind.
Now, move forward to cat sport. Many cats actually love training if done properly, with patience and reward. You still want to train your cats if they have some problem. There are some problems like cats instinctively like to use the box, like to play biting, and easy to feel aggression. Training a cat not to do something need to not provoke that behavior of your cat in the first place. If you train your cats with controlling them not to do that action, can cause opposition reflex and might choke your cat. You should train your cat by teaching her what to do instead by redirecting her behavior to another behavior that is correct. For example, if your cat bites, you can try to redirect her predatory instincts to a toy, not to you. Often, a cat will participate in your training games if you give them rewards that is trustworthy for the cat. Therefore, you should always remember to reward them if they've done the training. To consider, training behaviors that already come naturally to a cat, but not setting out a new behavior to her. Keep the training positive. Be gentle to your cats. Give them a reward if they've done the training.